Winds were northeast at 9 miles an hour, and the barometric pressure was 29.67 inches and falling. Now for some observations from the surrounding area. At the Inner Harbor, 31 degrees. At Martin State Airport, light snow was occurring. Temperature 30 degrees. Northeast wind at 14 was producing a wind chill of 20. At Annapolis, the temperature was 32. Winds northeast at 6 miles an hour. At Harrisburg, with light snow and fog, it was 22 degrees. Winds were northeast at 5. At Patuxent River Naval Air Station, with light rain and fog, it was 39. Southeast wind at 3 miles an hour. At Washington, with snow and fog, which reduced the visibility to 1/2 of a mile, 34 degrees. North wind at 9. At Salisbury, with light rain and fog, it was 40. Wind east at 5 miles an hour. At Dover, with light snow and fog, 32 degrees. Winds north at 8. At Wilmington, with light snow and fog, it was 27. Wind northeast at 14 miles an hour, producing a wind chill of 16. At Ocean City, with light rain and fog, it was 40 degrees. Northeast wind at 6. At New York, with light snow and fog, 25. Wind northeast at 20 miles an hour, producing a wind chill of 11. At Philadelphia, with snow and fog, which reduced the visibility to 1/2 of a mile, 26. Wind northeast at 14 miles an hour, producing a wind chill of 14. At Raleigh, with light rain and fog, 45. Wind west at 3 miles an hour. On the waters, Thomas Point light was 32 degrees, the wind was northeast at 13 knots, gusting to 16, and the water temperature was 40 degrees. At Cove Point, the wind was north at 3 knots. At Francis Scott Key Bridge, the wind was northeast at 8 knots. At Tolchester, the wind was northeast at 5 knots. At 15 miles east of Fenwick Island, the temperature was 42 degrees, and the water temperature was 48 degrees.
Here is a look at the weather features that will affect the region over the next several days. Complex low pressure affecting the mid-Atlantic will move offshore overnight, bringing mostly rain and snow this afternoon, transitioning to all snow tonight. High pressure will return for Friday and Saturday before a cold front approaches the region on Sunday. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for the Baltimore metro area and the surrounding KEC listening area. Tonight, snow or rain until midnight, then snow after midnight. Snow accumulation of 2 to 4 inches. Windy with lows around 17. Northeast winds 5 to 10 miles an hour with gusts up to 20 miles an hour, increasing to north 25 to 30 miles an hour with gusts up to 45 miles an hour after midnight. Chance of precipitation near 100%. Wind chill values as low as 0 after midnight. Friday, sunny. A slight chance of snow in the morning. Windy with highs in the lower 20s. Northwest winds 20 to 30 miles an hour with gusts up to 45 miles an hour. Chance of snow 20%. Wind chill values as low as 5 below. Friday night, mostly clear. Cold with lows around 10 above in the downtown areas and around 6 above in the suburbs. Northwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour, becoming southwest after midnight. Wind chill values as low as 0. Saturday, sunny. Highs in the lower 30s. South winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Saturday night, mostly clear until midnight, then becoming partly cloudy. Lows in the mid-20s. South winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Sunday, cloudy with rain and snow showers. Highs around 40. Chance of precipitation 90%. Monday, partly cloudy. Highs in the mid-30s. Lows around 5 above. Tuesday, mostly clear. Highs around 15. Lows around 10 above. Wednesday, partly cloudy. Highs in the upper 20s. Lows around 20. Thursday, mostly cloudy. Highs in the upper 30s. Lows in the lower 30s. This hazardous weather outlook is for the Maryland portions of the Chesapeake Bay, tidal Potomac River, and adjacent counties in central Maryland and northern Virginia, as well as the District of Columbia. Day 1, tonight. Winter storm warnings and winter weather advisories are in effect for this evening and tonight for portions of northern Maryland. Please see WSWLWX for more details. A wind advisory goes into effect after midnight. A wind chill advisory is in effect late tonight for portions of northern Maryland. A small craft advisory is in effect for the waters this evening, followed by a gale warning late tonight. Days 2 through 7, Friday through Wednesday. A gale warning is in effect for the waters Friday. A small craft advisory may be needed for portions of the waters Friday night. Unseasonably cold weather will settle into the region Friday and Friday night. A wind chill advisory is in effect Friday morning for portions of northern Maryland. Potentially colder weather may impact the area next week with wind chill values below zero Monday night through Tuesday night. Spotter information statement. Spotter activation is not expected at this time. Now for the National Weather Service marine forecast for the northern Chesapeake Bay and adjoining estuaries north of North Beach. Tonight, northeast winds 10 to 15 knots with gusts to 25 knots, becoming north 20 to 25 knots with gusts to 40 knots after midnight. Waves 2 to 3 feet, building to 4 feet after midnight. Snow or rain until midnight, then snow after midnight. Visibility 1 nautical mile or less. Friday, northwest winds 20 to 25 knots with gusts to 40 knots. Waves 5 feet. Friday night, northwest winds 10 to 15 knots, becoming north around 5 knots after midnight. Waves 1 to 2 feet. Saturday, south winds 5 to 10 knots. Waves 1 foot. Saturday night, south winds 5 to 10 knots. Waves 1 foot. Sunday, south winds 10 to 15 knots. Waves 1 to 2 feet. A chance of rain through the day, then rain likely until midnight. Rain and snow showers after midnight. Monday through Tuesday, northwest winds 10 to 15 knots. Waves 1 to 2 feet. The next 2 high tides for Baltimore Harbor at Fort McHenry will be at 7:26 this evening, and again at 7:34 Friday morning. The next 2 high tides at the Thomas Point Lighthouse will be at 5:30 this evening, and again at 5:38 Friday morning. And now a special weather statement from your National Weather Service. Issued at 7:53 p.m., bands of heavier snow will continue for the next couple of hours and will reduce visibility and cause slippery travel. Snow, moderate at times, will continue across the region for at least the next couple of hours. The snow is quickly accumulating on all untreated surfaces at the rate of up to 1 inch per hour. As a result, slippery conditions will continue especially on bridges and other elevated surfaces. If traveling, use extra caution and reduce your speed. Be prepared for rapidly changing road conditions and greatly reduced visibilities. Northeast winds at 10 to 20 miles per hour will blow some of the snow around at times. The conditions are expected to worsen through the night. This is a statement from the National Weather Service. For the following county, Frederick County, Maryland, and Loudoun County, Virginia. Winter storm warning in effect until 5 a.m. Friday. Wind chill advisory remains in effect from 4 a.m. to noon Friday. The National Weather Service in Baltimore, Maryland, Washington has issued a winter storm warning for snow, which is in effect until 5 a.m. Friday. The winter weather advisory is no longer in effect. Precipitation type, snow accumulations, total snowfall accumulation of 3 to 6 inches. Timing, through tonight. Wind chill, as low as 6 below. Temperatures, falling into the lower 20s. Winds, becoming north and increasing to 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts up to 45 miles per hour. Impacts, hazardous travel conditions can't be expected from snow-covered roads today and tonight. Any residual moisture or slush on roads will rapidly freeze overnight. A wind chill advisory means that very cold air and strong winds will combine to generate low wind chills. This will result in frostbite and lead to hypothermia if precautions are not taken. A winter storm warning for heavy snow means severe winter weather conditions are expected or occurring. Significant amounts of snow are forecast that will make travel dangerous. Only travel in an emergency. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency.